In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Google Sheets add-on in Chrome. To get started, open your Chrome browser and go to Google Sheets. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to use the add-on, since add-ons are connected to your account and will be available inside your Sheets environment. Once Google Sheets is open, you can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new blank one. For this process, either option works just fine, because the goal is simply to access the add-on marketplace from within Google Sheets. After you're inside a spreadsheet, look toward the top menu area and find Extensions. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, choose Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can browse and install tools that extend what Google Sheets can do. If the marketplace takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, especially if your browser is opening it for the first time. Once the marketplace appears, use the search bar to look for the add-on you want to install. In this case, search for Sheets to GCal or Export Sheet Data, depending on which tool you plan to use. These add-ons are designed to help you work with your spreadsheet data more efficiently, so make sure you select the correct one from the search results. It's always a good idea to quickly check the add-on name and description before installing, just to confirm that you're choosing the right tool. When you find the add-on, click on it to open its details page, then select the install option and follow the prompts that appear on your screen. You may be asked to grant permissions so the add-on can interact with your Google Sheets data. Read through those permissions carefully, and if everything looks appropriate, continue with the installation. This is a standard part of the setup process for most Google Workspace add-ons. Once the installation is complete, the add-on will be connected to your Google Sheets account and ready to use from the extensions menu. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the spreadsheet and checking the extensions section again. And that's it. You've successfully installed a Google Sheets add-on using Chrome, and you're ready to start using it in your workflow.